Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from, oh, hold on, the mic too far in. All right, we got a video from PolicePlug, and the title of the video is "Woman Takes Over Traffic Stop and Flees from Officer." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
On May 5th, 2024, at around 6:49 p.m., an officer was on patrol near Des Plaines Road when he then observed a black Mercedes next to him stopped at a red light. The driver of the Mercedes then accelerated the car, driving into the intersection against the red light, and made a U-turn. The officer followed the vehicle and conducted a traffic stop, identifying the driver as Donna Dozol.
Hello.
I'm sorry. You know what happened? I realized I left something at home.
Okay, you ran a red light back there.
No,
you
it
made
was
it.
green. It was green.
No.
Green.
I was standing next to you.
No,
You
no,
ran a red light. You made a U-turn in front of all these cars, all the way from the right lane, and you almost struck the fire truck. Let me get your driver license, ma'am.
Okay.
You got your insurance?
Yeah. Hey, it looked green to me.
So it was
Yeah,
not.
it did.
I was next to you.
It looked green to me.
On River Road in Minor, you were standing all the way in the right lane. You made a U-turn in front of 3 lanes cars. You had a red light back there.
It's
You,
okay. Don't worry about it.
can I
It's
get
okay.
can I get your
It's
insurance?
safe to do it.
It was not safe.
Yes,
It's safe. You're not gonna tell me when it's safe or not, ma'am. That's my
Just
job.
Let me go home. I'm sorry.
Let me get your insurance.
Okay. So you're gonna let me go home?
No, ma'am.
What are you gonna
Let me
do?
get your insurance.
Oh, my boy. She must have really been wilding out, cause my boy a little hostile. You know what I'm saying? She's. I don't think she's really argumentative like that. Like as far as yelling, I don't know. She's an old lady, but it's like she's still in the wrong though. She's still in the wrong, man. You know, she got a little Mercedes, that little old money, but I don't know. This right here, like, I don't know.
I'm sorry. You know what happened? I realized I left something at home.
Okay, you ran a red light back there.
No,
You
it
made
was
it.
green. It was green.
No.
It was green.
I was standing next to you.
No,
You
no,
ran a
it
red
was
light. You made a U-turn in front of all these cars, all the way from the right lane, and you almost struck the fire truck. Let me get your driver license, ma'am.
Oh yeah, okay.
You got your insurance?
Yeah, she done. She almost hit the
It
fire
looked
truck.
green to me.
So it was
Yeah,
not.
it did.
I was next to you.
It looked green to me.
On River Road in Minor, you were standing all the way in the right lane. You made a U-turn in front of 3 lanes cars. You had a red light back there.
It's
You,
okay. Don't worry about it.
can I
It's
get
okay.
can I get your
It's
insurance?
safe to do it.
It was not safe.
Yes,
It's safe. You're not gonna tell me when it's safe or not, ma'am. That's my
Just
job.
Let me go home. I'm sorry.
Let me get your insurance.
Okay. So you're gonna let me go home?
No, ma'am.
What are you gonna
Let me
do?
get your insurance.
What are you gonna do?
You're gonna get citations today.
You're gonna let me go home after.
Yeah, you'll go home eventually. I'm not gonna arrest you.
I need to go home. I had to get something.
It's all for your safety, ma'am. You made.
He looking for the insurance. She looking for the insurance. Bruh, she's looking in her purse. Most people don't keep their insurance in their purse. It's either on your phone, you can pull up the app, or a lot of people keep it in their glove department. Department, yeah.
You made that U-turn in front of all these cars.
Because it was green and
It
I
was-
had to hurry and get some.
Department or compartment? I don't know. Y'all get it.
It was not green, ma'am.
Yes. I did it safely, right?
Let me get your insurance, please.
Maybe that's what I have at home. I usually carry it with me. Hold on.
Can you put your car on park?
Here it is.
Thank you.
Just look at it. You don't have to take it. I have insurance.
No, give me your insurance. You're not gonna tell me you look at it.
I showed you it.
Oh yeah,
Okay, you're
she
gonna get a
done,
ticket
man.
for no insurance because I didn't see the
I
ticket.
have insurance. I showed it to you. Please, I'm in a hurry to get home. Please.
It's my traffic stop. I'll tell you when you're free to go or not. Let me get your insurance, ma'am. If you don't give me insurance, you'll get a ticket for no insurance.
Could I have my license?
No, ma'am. Let me get your insurance.
You know what? I have somewhere. I have somewhere I have to go tomorrow.
You're not free to go right now. You're detained for now.
Well,
It's
give
a
me
traffic
ticket
stop.
and let me go.
Put your car on park.
No, sir. Give me the ticket and let me go.
Okay, hang tight then. You can't take off the stop. Don't take off the stop.
Give me the ticket and let me
Wait.
go.
Give me your keys.
No.
Turn off your car.
Give me the ticket and let me go home. Give me the ticket and let me go home.
Step out of the car.
No.
Step out of the car. Let me get another unit, no rush. Wait. Subject to call.
The officer pursued Donna, but she continued to increase speeds of 80 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone.
What? These are what? She's wilding out right now. What is she doing? It's not that serious. You gonna get a couple tickets, and now you. Come on now, that don't make no sense. She out here bugging out, man. Bugging out. Oh yeah, they gonna get her with some act right, boy. And I don't understand why people take off, because eventually you gonna run out of gas. I mean, you know, it honestly. And I don't know if her driving skills is that elite to where she could be maneuvering, you know what I mean? Like, you know? I don't know. You know, when you get a little older, you know, them driving skills ain't all the way up to par no more, you know? You can't be whipping it like the way you could in your younger days, you know? Yeah, she done, man. She done, man. I want to see when he eventually get her, man. Eventually get her, run her off the road. She don't know what she got. Wait, he pulling over?
Due to the excessive speed, the officer terminated the pursuit. He then contacted Vernon Hills Police to check on Donna at her residence, but they were unable to locate her. Donna would later turn herself in. She was charged with aggravated fleeing of a peace officer, speeding, improper lane usage, disobeying a traffic control device, disobeying a police order, and failing to signal. On August 2nd, 2022, a Louisiana state trooper pulled over a man identified as Howard David.
Wait,
On May
my
5th,
bad.
2024, at around 6:49 p.m.
My bad. Listen. I don't know. They got to fix that AI voice. That AI voice is kind of, I don't know. That it throws the whole vibe off. But hold on. I just want to go back to what her charges were. Because that's a lot of charges. Terminated the pursuit? That's crazy.
The officer terminated the pursuit. He then contacted Vernon Hills Police to check on Donna at her residence, but they were unable to locate her. Donna would later turn herself in. She was charged with aggravated fleeing of a peace officer, speeding, improper lane usage, disobeying a traffic control device, disobeying a police order, and failing to signal. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.
Now I want to see if they maybe got it in the comment section how much time she, or not in the comment section, but in the description, how much time she got. Nah, they don't got it. Man, yo. You know how this justice system is. I guarantee she got probation. You hear me? Yo, imagine that was me wilding out like that. Oh, yeah, it's a wrap, boy. Oh, they not terminating no pursuit. They gonna catch me and hit me with some act right, boy. That's for damn sure.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.